break me no casino. Yes, I'm back into club duties. Our brand Yamia Duma. We can do matches. I was a person in Yano. You don't some no more about Umpo. As you see, a February about Trino. You find a finish out of our club. About qualify for UEFA Champions League. While winning and our team was to mean qualifier. While we are UEFA Champions League, as I say, Yabba Drew a quarter friend or singing Umpo, Obapo, our we can do your Man City and a club. You find us Arsenal. I'm coming in and some Ababaso our Brown Seminole. Yet the Eba Yesha Seven Enra, woman Euros, and Jumedia Bassa, Samano Kasai, and Nano Pemeka Trans Enra, Yabenya Poland, Toma qualify, and watch Ukraine and so qualify Enra, and after Georgia said Enra, what is Meza, Emo, what is Abrabiana, Yabako Jumedia France Euros piano, Yana Anya Cradie, Yana new entry, Ajasano, and some debutant, woman tested tournament to be Danamom, I take kind of some first time ever, and so about so Amenra Mekaya Passa Bisaye, say into a Didi Bassa Georgia Maino, and some other qualify. Emma Mezaka and Piswa Didi said your record Esitia, and said a history Esitianidia. I had Georgia, and some other qualify. When some Fasha say campaign, sir, and maybe a term at Georgia, Fonia, Portugal, woman for Omo and Chomokra, and to Omania Jesamino Casino, Yabamania group at Soko Euros group F, and some Ayatokai, and watch Georgia, Yawa Portugal, and Abokana check for woman and also group of Bramano Casino, Yababenya Kricha Quaraskilia, and some Adana Pamfo, woman Coco Rom, our Brano, and some Aya Ronaldo, Omo Group Numa, and no Aya Abte Tabafe, Mammy Sins to be way a local room and Ra, Shadrach Mamma Perch and Society and Ra, a Cobans almost so potesano, and some anticipate and Swa, woman Yante, a month for you, soon at Tasanwano, Aya tears of joy, and I just about Adama Omea, your friend said Georgia Brady can cry, woman some qualify, and some other Bashuros, own son of pay, Nami Shu Oma Sanibi, and some other trust said there be more Black Stars at me quanimo, na be a tournament tell Koya, Namuchi Solo couldn't chia, and some other chassan and chia Sunino, who called Georgia, woman some artisans and Rasan Diabra, where a chant to 4 camp of Bobina, now dancers and the Sano, your friend talking shoe, sound talking shoe, no, what you know, Boana, yes, sound to Tinipano, what is our shoe to me, yes, sound, I say, what did dear Sunny at and on you may cross a minute, our Branas, me and Philika Krabi, now for young Koyan, our Braveno, and some the streets of Georgia, and when I Kwakayasa, and I just said, Count Kwakama, I'm a 4 dear, Yentia Kakra. Yes, and no, I knew my chest across and Rawatesa near Takan so Conca, Ewo Chroma, a bin in the Moo and some chest of Crona, Yafana Georgia and Ranibranqua, and I chest and no some across. So now made it to a minute of time, Yamia, Mammy, many Janas a coacher, Yafana Sa Willis Sano, on Sano Peno, make a choice sign opposite number, one of the Greece, Omanasha Timapaya, Yafana gas poet. Now Orana Bacasa or Bo Team Georgia. Some Omukocha, your friends are Willis Sano, and some Abasona Kocha, your friends are Willis Sano say, one shaker, now more sound Crawford, Chasana Jobasha, and it's Yabama for so praise him, more bought Nabasomosa for and Chappy. A big crack as one of Mompines, many Jawin, a judgment Wako, and Nasabia Federation, Abba Pamana Atea, woman to the Abbas and Jumedia Woti, and some other of mine, our form, were on the Juma just one Yadia Bakubaku say, Naswano, and one Joe for the very first time ever in history. What am I qualified for near? Your friend says Euros and I will listen. No, one far high the crowd cannot drink.
In the past, sometimes some of you felt maybe I should have gone, or football is that's what I try sometimes to explain also to you is if you want to reach something, it takes time. In football, you can't change everything in 1 month or in 6 months. It takes time always, and but to stay in Georgia, I will pay to feel what I feel today. So I'm happy, and I never thought about going, even if you would have asked me before the match. I feel good. I'm feeling good here since 3 years. I'm surrounded by amazing people, and I think that's the most.
Yes, indeed, that is the most important thing. Our brand new manager, your fan is Willie Sanyo, Onona just what on my fan Georgia qualified about for the first time. What will be testing euros, our German, our brand new Brino, Yadon Sam Emma, for life, our full time. Live on Sompa 93.1, live on Facebook and after live on Sompa TV, you know, Yawaso, our brand, 7 you know, Yadaba, Yababa, other stories, I can in our Sonoma, William San, our brother, Kobasa Proso, and some our center governor. Woman is Spain a ball game. I'm at Chesano Machino. We share now. We are take now. We are share now. We are restore parity. We are level packing. And Sanyo Manino. Only said before the game. Yaba discuss Chesa and one up. I'm at Chesa make every Musa Sawusha branch of Vinicius Junior. One of the offering me on essence were full of Vinicius Nisu Cotiano. I'm some Walram. I just say be at Chesa documentary. One more year German in Chesa behind the camera. No, a Kobasa. Starters, 118 so Vinicius quota. We be quote Manchester before the game. And no achieve yourself for any now boss. No, and so no dear. I just can say racism. I do on what three. Now, be on concentration. I want and it's on because upon the ball. I just want to play football. You just want to play football, yeah. Not just what we count to qua. Wumfino, Wonson Congo Kobi to Quanum, and you may cost a genre. Vinicius Junior no say, one of your password so ball, one panto Quasam Sabi, what Timmy Wakami, where you tuntum, where you day, where you sell Fata and Sanyamano, Yen Castle in a Vinicius, a Cocopia America Porter, one of Janet Baby, now Onus will be, and I take you to X, and maybe a term, and the attack on us at Twitter, and a Coba Senipano come keep posting, now I keep posting here, and a Laporte, about tweet to court to you. And at the all canning in also chasa, what be an asan or passwosa. So near so was one ball. And at Chasa American Porto say, Ebi a your ball, and a Bama Baswo ball. Namum Ebi a Bama, and some Mabaswo, dear Sessas on the day. Yehu na we shall go Bakwa, Wabasa Bako, we shall go Mianua, Wabasa Mianu, Tinuma El Cosinano, among for say, Adentina, Quadawa soon to Mintanasa Dako. No one can say Shahim, now on to Misabi, a Mensumabi, I made Danadi. And some dressers question I am for Bisan say, and you Kwana Sabi, maybe I black American, and I said a South American, Rodrigo, Ewo, Argentina, one Nanteta, Sabia Rodrigo, I'm for be racially abusino, one some dinner time, one so super echo, a true Kwana, and ye do babia, one so check you a bravo, I just an my for me, and some cardiac container, your friend Vinicius, our Branano Peno, your den up to turning out Dema, your for. And some our shoulders Anwa, Wabakobasa Bossa, Wamakoda Fansa Lamin Jamal, boy, dear, ha, I couldn't bo. Na bossa for so much repa. No be a high pro macronams. Oh, na anti one yamaka must aim and a function no canona. What bossa could I bob on two who ye and I won't become in a den. Yabaka almost say ya high pepper and chat or batane and sufati. There's a many idea beyond your mom cadem from Bossamania Trabe. I must say, I'm what ball park away and some football. And when you found for so queer and soma, just a penalty to buy and a Brazil for no more was so brutal. A crown footballer, not for be a cross or because do baby not just a Koyan chat. I just am about jet and rough off and we're starting game. Yamonu 2 minutes. Now come on your black and them. I couldn't road drum. I'm a persona. Your father said Gomez. I just want to Jean Gomez or Jonathan Fino, Yamin Kwa, and one called Boo Lamin Jamal, and some name Yamiadom, by no some to me a pass of koi. I just couldn't add it to us. We a game, and some animal Bossa force enter. Boy, when I stand in a contract now, bar clause ISI 1 billion euros. And yeah, at the hot that. When you're for cranny of 500 million, our brother Kotaweno, woman turning them also Antonica, what brand of burning Yania, you can standing ovation, our brother Bo, when him some Avero Morata, Wamukoboni Tutu, Luis de la Fuente saying. And no cross no I cannot come. Hey, no more just on my captain. Not more body tutuo. Munum share crowd Sanka Morata Yobia. Was here come a remodeled pain. What bakwa. No so dear now Bama Chesano Popo. Woman la me Yama standing ovation. And to Morata Sua. Ubon tutuo. Not just Omani Orano. And some Antini and Robert Kobasa see Ronaldo. One in the Portugal Cocoluzuya. Answer Messi for us start agenda. So Ronaldo without a Portugal, without Ronaldo, Wamu Coco share 5-2. I just a Portugal with Ronaldo. Oma Beluzu 2-0. Okay, to ranking num, and it just a Michaelas are Portonum. Wama started campaign. And Ronaldo Coco pie. Now for the first time, a free and a manager Fansa Roberto Martinez. Walusu game after 12 games, where we need 11. Walusu Bako and Ra. Manager said, Naya pa. Was in one game on one and I just said, try two. Into the Kama boys Pinano and Kofi right after first game. Now or testing your message a fee and a babako. There can a major tournament. Now Obako tournament, no one to me I know you may know where baby free. Baby Adi be besha said Obesia Chinchim Yomanashan Obako tournament, and Abe Halpa. And take what did he Basano Craswano, San Portugal, and some Abelus to the Abaswaka, and a support to Gameno, Wama ready our Panyamia Duma, Juros Abel Cosunino, Wamusum Abel Room, now Juros Ayakawa, some Udum Sanra, Wabel Kobasa friendly Gama Basso, German Mino, Wamutasu Ayamonium Enra, Wamusum Anasaida, Yafan Netherlands a boy. Wabel Kobasa friendly game basso. Wouldn't say Netherlands for no coach. Your friend Ronald Koeman. Now Germany show 2-1 Enra. And what your tennis Omulusu 2-1. And I yes I'm for say tournament to Airbus on some crama start to say a bimutini pass Germany. Woman I ferreton say a bishop bar. Yana top of say and will be a better than the crash doctor next into Germany ball pa. No question channel for Fraba pa na tournament no kwano according to Bishop Mopan kamunya ba na ankani amon fa title man dimension of Germany because omon perfect Ronald Koeman somebody anam ho osre papa chese na no ya wo share France and wo be share Netherlands and ntidi enti why dey wo Euros what's mu gina mfimfio so mu ni mu a mu amon komanim mu amon mamachi mu gina mfimfio according to Ronald Koeman. One Sakra, coach,
that's football. Maybe
Sompa sports
negative. I don't know why, because Germany has always good players. They are always strong. But if you beat France, that was maybe the reason that they are much more positive now. But it's a little bit strange in 1 week. To be negative, and after that they had a big favorite to win the Euros. I think it's a little bit more in the middle.
Yes, I know I am Netherlands some coach way and your ref fan Ronald Koeman and our Tessa ya den accepts amount to Muamo Kasai and our host nation ebe host and winning Namasa. One more won 50 our brown to mean can pay some budget also I want to mean car Sabio Muntimin J. Chesano I update so Ronaldo and some Anilio Messi omo eras no Ababas across say woman be at the next I 10 years at the enemy one some about me dominate areas football. One so and Quadano Moba, the next aye generation, one fa Abia Allen Halamoni Bapemo, Emma Mera Ayasa Podium Nemo. Now, the next 10 years, almost in Quada, one more exciting to watch. Bako, Aye Jamal Musiala, ABM Aye Lamin Jamal, one would call Palmer, and so by Kobe Mainu, Manchester Cotano, one would also a Romo, remember that Quada fans Andrek Anopai, Nameka Trust and our president, and catch on to say, one more channel on your normal. Tentamino and Trekenso Remo should Bellingham. Almost said the next 10 years Akodawe, one also motion ye and watch Bukayo Saka and some other rainy and Sano Rana. Your father fell 14. Woman in an IHS and Kodafen Homo Bar. Woman some Abra and ye IHS the next 10 years, you know. Woman so Abaya Jumaten Amanioma and some Aquakama Adama Timna and no I update Abba Honsamino. Yet the Amiata for young Morocco. When some Morocco national Timino, one game about a club issue as well. Morocco and Mauritania. One more 0-0 shock. Mama time a stadium announcer Ebabe announce ayo Brahim Diaz e di answer Brahim Diaz stories no Merioba sa utibia Jamal. Wouldn't say out of ayo joy. And no stadium announcer elbo omu coach Walid Regragui and so di krano okobo Brahim Diaz. And what place ni dear you. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, Mama some Arabic come can say Mama some coach Regragui no hey. Now I said ya so kokobo Brahim just omania J. Akona Morocco fanya no there. Yet na osambo di require and stadium hall. Yabo friendly game and some our say Morocco come on no nanya some to akwa yentie coach no announcement and no e course. Okay, what me that saying? And no, I said no stadium announcer, yeah, and so Adama Kadana fans Brahim Diaz, and no, I update about boy and no Kasaka cross, while Brown ever join a Morocco national team, no, was set or buy or much or dog from day one, and what you know, best work can you understand? No, Tobia Keke, a special love, and almost a man a care, and some also so you might from Ninano, what did he ever send and so what the Morocco mind any time I'm phoning Ninano, what Toby Bianso as your fay, young jump and from Real Madrid Omaswaya, Wabro Cobas and what game about so reporter. Minya Sampen for say, when my quarter fan say I have Vinicius no, I was say I'm on a Casaway and some other story I made to a demo. Vinicius Junior reporter Minya say a international break and on last game for Brazil about so our Benabon 20 baby alcohol or Baby and Robert Coffee. Reporter Minya say, woman to the bus okay no maybe to say our Champions League in our Bravo ball and some idea Man City. Ebeha Jane, and to the Moya so point no woman in the Casasie on Sona Kumum, essence one Sona Kuma says no, Wababa easy target. I'm an opponent. Woman from Anna Madrid, Ebesha Brubia, Oba provoking Biano, Nessa Oba react. I'm a one shea. Wabet me at the red Cadasasa, who call on one Kruma, and one Krum for before my place to be say, Binum, Obia racial ambition massa. Ya can't send me to the wa, yet the show before Sarabia born to me more. Now, no master for catch a man for pension as well. Would you be you and Yaka Caribbean now, wolf now born it, and I would dim a temp, will cut no press conference. I said, I will sue, and I could have cut you a matubata, some of the baby Biako, and I'm a bad massa. Yes, show before Sarabia Bono, won't to me Real Madrid, and Pervaba Saquadano, woman some and Casa. Now, Real Madrid almost almost fourth kit and Henry, woman so long chayano, Sharak Mammy and Tadiana fourth kit, no, woman said, now, what you doom, say, Oya Madridista, now pay Jason Biapa. Woman shall say Elton, a 220 euros. Now, say, almost fourth kitten, and only 220 euros, no, I 3,140. 31 million. As some make on about Tata about Kona say, boys now, or more do you copy the other heavy. And Yana, what did I say? I was saying, 100. And I remember for say 31 million. Why is so much 85 Nabias? Nothing. One I check over how far our brano and some update about something. Yet the emulator for free. Mema come new almost pictures and I don't pay. Shark tobacco eye cinema. Said yes, sir. Renovation works. I go so El Coso and some our come Bama and Chibiano Mario. No one does Barsafonia, Bressa, Compiasono. One must get a big names up. Now, big names almost so much banning in Ano and some I say a bedroom. Not just a Yamayama Acha next year, somewhere November. Nam Omuya Spotify come new Omuya. Our son Kadana Akanin in Ano, more now some Abana Omobeswama kind and some other Masaida. Your friend FC Barcelona and Ano Pino, yet the update and Ademo. Now, Mebeka Joseph Bonsa, Womope, Ghana Niakwadanamum, Wabodama Spain, I found Sir Nico Williams, and yet Meka Joseph Zavi, Apakwadana Chakakra. Now, Jaminian say yes, a boy. Wone Lami Yamanom and the Bass and Quadana Moba a national site no or my uncle fan Emusopa or Omu good hour now for Basa for him Nemum Babia someone your family no or combat dot Nansuina also now your sub standing a contract almost say Sikano Kramukramutie become the Camber Casa before now it's 50 million euros and watch it we're standing a contract in Yano one still Aquadawe say Okasa opener a 50 million euros and sana when ya Nico Williams Amakotano and so Abantisa Basa for Somopa Basa for your way says Kabia Tiso Somu Kochanamum Sankabia Bebo for Betia who be Bidia and Yankomusu Betimia Pushna Kotano and some Eduna Etimia Basua and no I update to Abba Unsamno yet the emiat of our document and so no yes and Etabatown report to me says our fee one more players Antimi and Concoday and qualify for UEFA Champions League report to me say player Biaosika yabete so na tie bete so omo jiska kase ne de say am say usika so a ye ton so be so pa enti de minyan say wo bia betimi afofete a little over €1 million na just a best a little over 1 million euros no enom ay amount players ne be betimi afofete wa bra Dortmund entimi qualify for UEFA Champions League wa bra no and some update aba na our bamunchen nyame yarma encha omo meeting aba so na meeting about our buying no at the month of May see our March into April May and our buying almost supervisory board ebe meeting na Max Ebal I just want to say we report to Adama board no yes what the findings and as the resource coaching as so mo pe unse ba mo chimpe coach enti am say na research away no or the back ko tompan fam say aye we na mom ya fawe ya babua ya fawe ya amwa demensa kan say we make case actually say nano a wo mu call zoo game against Lazio what can some be case Champions League ball aye Crystal so zoo game say against Lazio no owura na e de brofo and the case training players our dressing room next and Thomas Tuchel and also aye manfra and a bobain and a bain akoda bia so ni ho a want to brofo and just so refan some Max Elba ebe make case actual supervisory board no say and who be here say ni kwa so mo ye ni chinchina twan say oh I will say for Germany masa won consider internationals and tell you Josa you better me consider Roberto Di Zerbi mabondi atro dada and what Zabi Alonso mabondi dim atro dada omo nyina no and so aye international say wa brand yes say no aye komodia ebe ko some our board no so ahonsam no ye de your free break yaba one more game this weekend against Arsenal 2 weeks later woman in Bobo Cravansa Real Madrid abapo one more international break no Alan Haaland Echo Pry John Stones Echo Pry Kyle Walker Manuel Akanji Bernardo Silva and Ruben Diaz omunyina kokonya knock entene agisa Man City for no pep wo shine sapo mu so na bia recovery ebim anya ne ntentam omanya ne ntam dia anom abahagen na Liverpool omakota na ye fan so Ante Robertson wonum say me no kasai ono say na Wednesday and then our some doctors in Johnson na medical checkup ekoso because Ante Robertson and some Ekokoprai yes one be assess no ma hwe say anya bia weekend do obetumi abo and as on to me mo afa Liverpool and some akota na ye fan Curtis Jones ayobia yes and recovery ekokama na manager na ehopi sanka bia weekend di omo kama abas ewa bra womo some and Brighton ebebono ebia Curtis Jones and so ebetumi aginam our sam match no mo say me be catch am say Manchester for no womo pe aye England e coach no anya na mabobo managers dia tro dada na ene kwade ya dasori ya say yes Manchester United Oma Jane say woman fa Gareth Southgate keke nemom oma fa Southgate one in the entire coaching staff on a shack fa Southgate and the entire coaching staff no mame woman dosu brutal and I'm no the nipa we nyina ba man you dey na say ya mo kabedoso man kan kwade me nya be say 10 ewa brandom aye Southgate owura no one in the entire coaching staff no woman nyina na chese say Bobo Kwaye fans Manchester United and some other omodem phone nyina no and so I deba ewa brando pay no and no aye update about coaching staff no e bi aye owura ye fan Steve Holland and be atwam na oye adwuma Emma Charles or your assistant Grammy Jones aye assistant Chris aye Powell aye assistant afa owura ye fan Maritime Majestin one some aye goalkeepers coach and and what is Steve O'Brien, where a lead performance analyst. Some of my and some managers from woman. Now, obey the side of power, and you were Chiaba. Only Saturday, more fun say Danny Mills, a Kirby, Danny Mills essay, achievement at Gareth Southgate, I want to one, and also Manaba Coach Club, your friend of Manchester United, Danny Mills on Southgate, achievement, Yanko back, 19.
He's got England to semi-finals and finals that no other manager has ever done. Some of the greatest, Capello, Sven, who is, people with track records that have done fantastically well. So even to get this England team to those players, he's clearly got something. He changed the tactics in the Euros when he put Trippier left wing back, I believe.
Yes, I know I Danny Mills, no more Mamedia or Casadefa. Also, most of the entire coaching staff about Manchester United. And Danny Mills, or some time I forget to honor, Nasha Omo Year Juma and the Faggy, Omunian Day. Wisha Southgate to some conform Omo Year Jumai, Amedi Cabo Bidiacho, Steve Holland, Janum, and it's a Somo Caninano. Sana was one of the Baman you, Yentia Danny Mills.
The role underneath that, his coach, is vitally important. Sir Alex Ferguson had some of the best coaches in the world work underneath him. Sir Alex wasn't the greatest coach of all time, but he picked some of the greatest coaches to be his number two. Mourinho, similar.
Yes, and the coaching staff and also the backroom staff and so and we hear Shadrach Mamora, your friend Novak Djokovic and pay breaking news after 5 years of service. Ura fans of Goran Ivanisevic on the coach Novak Djokovic, world number 1 on the coach Omaton Quantapai. Tinton time, Omacham, our black coach, and ye Goran Ivanisevic, Novak Djokovic, and then the coach, one more up party ways, Archers, and I update if you Omasway at the live on Sompa 93.1, live on Sompa TV, and I feel live on IS Sompa 93.1 FM. Our Facebook, Young National Fay, Yafa Foreign, it's Shak, man, baby Kaka. Yes, young men are fay, Yametuaso, and from Meza. BBI find it.
Yamia do my any experience, BBI she.
Okay, and then
she, I'm one day.
That's right.
Any here, rather see Adomie. Yabane de Niaba. Yabane de Niaba pa. The ding, giddy, mediagro.
That's right.
Yes, fancy, interestingly, you see, you idea football, it told be a no that dream one I want to see that. There are certain patterns that football, when it gives it to you, you can never change it. What did they mention as no? And finally, everything played in the role of Georgia in their quest is so much more qualified for the first time in their history to Euros. One more no fancy. Omunye bibi we be that. They haven't done such a thing before. Anna omun qualifying call any other major competition. Biano akaso ma qualify be that. Ako different major competition. I'm not talking about the Euros in perspective though, but a different major competition. At least in the Nations League, they could do something better. And at the end of the day, no, Mombeti ako final be and a semi-final be. But this is the European Championship in the entire. And Kvaratskhelia will be a very happy man. Fancy in a long period of time. Napoli league that for so many years. Diego Armando Maradona won that particular league title. So many years from Italy, Wabua ama Napoli aji the league last season. Only joining as the best player of the season. If you want to wasabe Georgia, Georgia are qualify for the first time in their history to a major competition. And fancy, the feeling cannot be described.
Yeah.
Now, I'm not doing the penalty shootout. No, you can't say tension. I won't tension. And football has always dealt with some level of sacrifices. Because when I realize it's going to qualify, I brought injury to Kvaratskhelia. Who said they will qualify.
Yeah, because I'm over reliant on.
And fancy, normally the best players at this stage is one share your money be disappointed. Penalty shootout no. I wouldn't be surprised if Kvaratskhelia be na penalty no no. Na ono ne penalty na be yi o free man for mon qualify. Share Abra Portugal Babeji Euros when they prefer him.
Ronaldo.
You see, sometimes these things about football cannot be explained. Obibeka say, oh, now where they are normal. Yes, you could believe your choice of these things being normal. Agreed. May not be a dream. But fancy, there are more things to football than what we watch on the television. And they also missed one of their key players as early as the second half. No more 75th minute. And there was also another injury. Player named Claiborne, and that's what control ball when you Anna Greece player named Claiborne. If you read another 9 and see Uncle Nachia, yeah, the stretcher and a fan if you park and so in the coin. Yeah. Or go straight to the dressing room. Then Kwaskela. So 2 key players,
Sompa Sports,
within a frame of time, they are now the 2 years. Anka Georgia able to be qualified with those 2 players on the field. But fancy. And the penalty shootout, the hero of the day. Susube Omu goalkeeper or do qualify.
Yeah.
Another great football story. Let's see what they bring at the Euros. You himself first time is be on Momoko Munimjuma with the who's called semi-final of the Euros. Here how they are also going to react. If say in your group stage or Metimakwa Komenima at least the quarter final. Fancy. Now me move on to the next story. Meaning Komobi Kakra. The future beyond the future. On say Enra gave Ariasi now the platform to witness what comes aftermath the future that you are wishing for as it stands. The future we are wishing for after Cristiano Ronaldo and Messi. And you say Mbappe, Erling Haaland, Rodrigo, Vinicius Jr. Some of these players never rise to the occasion. Camavinga, Tchouaméni. These key players will step up.
Yes.
No more Nigeria simu board yes your monaso. It dey be a kind of say football is in safe hands with these players. But we witness something beyond what we have in the future in Yamal and Hendrick. I'm a Kobimenu Enra.
Yeah.
These are players are Kobimenu 18 years. Yamal in number 16 years. Hendrick in number 18 and 19. So these are players beyond the future. So if the likes of Vinicius, the likes of Tchouaméni, the likes of Camavinga, like top key players be our more age, more 21, 22, 21, 22, no. Free system anymore. You are very much hopeful. Say your players be on more or make me beje football. Esi your monaso. Aboma we are seeing in a ball no munim day or munim ball.
Yeah.
And see why the highlight of what the future will look like between FC Barcelona and Real Madrid was also shown yesterday.
That is why sometimes a true argument I make say one. Mean Kawa Brown fan Asiema Eric Ten Hag. 1, 2. Me modin wa brabe kasa Zavi Abaso. Because she Zavi ba Abaso almost situation. Yenim Krano, Wama Kubasi. Our central defense.
Yes.
Wama Lami Yama and our benchy Rafinha. What am I say? You understand? Because he can't how the Kakota as a phone be.
And I can see phone
and one hour Kakotona Bahine.
First is the seller's market.
To say be a bona Yaman, a Bodama Bassa for now. One a winger or the boss Abonama or Barcelona. So many just numbers of them, more fans and friend you cry.
Debbie.
Yeah.
And these players have showcased everything around them. And fancy, Mary Lamine figures big for the last 365 days. And I'm here, Hendrick so starts for the last 365 days. These kids are made for the top. Fancy, this is Yamal. Fancy, Yamal.
Sompa Sports.
Progressive carries, touches, progressive passes. As a winger, one of the first to track it back. Look at Yamal, or averaging 2.39 tackles assist rate per every single 90 minutes as a winger. Interceptions, percentile 97, 93, 98 for blocks. Should you also green or attack in the crown? Short creating actions.
That's defensively or sound.
The perfect balance of a winger that you want. Yasha Hendricks also there. So when we a mindset of what is going to happen in the future at Real Madrid and Barcelona, if both of them are going to stay
injury free,
maybe another rivalry at our hands a bit huge, and then that game no proves that these guys are ready for the hype because this your mona so say person yebo Hendrick is my game Yamas what the game next in na so say person yebo, and it was none any other where than the Santiago Bernabeu. Barcelona form Pewa Samate, Endrick Subabo next season. And these are the two guys. Fancy. And I'm so happy that football has a future beyond the future we are thinking of, with some key players be a show. Then Kobe Menu. Fancy. Mamika say we fancy Manchester United supporters so muti menano pay. Kobe Menu nyandru. He had a fine game yesterday, not an excellent game.
Not just yesterday, send Rachins. First game no, so, against Brazil.
Kobe Menu had a fine game. Enough to put him in contention for maybe a squad for Euros. But not as a starter. I was a Galena de Camone, England for Nasha said Jokomo, me Tomo Chomi di Yamidis from Mumakola and Shambo New Yansa. He's Onyandru, Kobe Menu Yandru through. The potential is there. The difference between Kobe Menu and Huni say near Bian Krawaka Sebia or Chinese age no bear 1 year in terms of the maturity level. And was taking a claim in the national team, which is good. But give him time. Give him time. And now you could see the calmness in this game. Omo England form it for almost relaxing when they're in possession. No need to rush. Quick transitions. Just say, oh, Galaga Bobby Onya and so boy to net number be not true. There's a certain level of calmness and aura around this boy. But Munya Butreman develop it. He could be a real eyesore for the England national team in the future. It's Euros, no. Obetimaka squad or qua or to bench 10 minutes, 5 minutes, but relax. And I'm only praying that Manchester United will make the right coaching choice, because if you don't make the right coaching choice, it depends on who you bring in. Nipona de bebemuno. You see, Nipona de nebeba team so be coaching. Now, the progress of Alejandro Garnacho and Kobe Menu are very important to the new project of Manchester United. Because from what I know, they say Ratcliffe say Garnacho will build the team around us. And Kobe Menu is also making a claim. Oh yeah, dang. And he's proving it. So these two kids, if you want to build something around them, they say they were called Barcelona, so coach. It was a Pedri ni Gavi. They will appoint coaches who Sompa Sports. So imagine what appoint to be the Naboba was a menu confitting star. And I appoint to be was a Ghana to confitting star. And I believe these youngsters, and Garnacho did not also have a bad game for Argentina. And I think Scaloni will raise the standard of Argentina national team. We'll raise him. We'll raise him fans. Okay. Well, me that say, and once I'm for the Obama power internet and so, I know pay cross some of the Amawa and the Amawa and no. I'm a Bob Bishop at Apoku, Mezan Watson and Cano, Leicester Ghana Limited, or more and a day, Yas toothbrush, Yas toothpaste, and so about a jasso, your toothbrushes out where your prince, your duke, a fair princess and a duchess, Ninano, a types of a toothbrushes are Leicester Ghana Limited, and no a Yas, or more product in the and no na toothpaste and so no yawa Yas whitening, Yas herbal, and afe Yas total care. A be abeto e choose bia ne boa e ma chese wonum enso etimi benyam udi wonum ni o kasa nipa ho a nya de se nipa katakata na hwene nipa trinity wo ko kisses enso ampa wo kisi no wa kisi ye enti household e wo so obi anya bi na wo use na wife use bi e basa ana dwompa so nkomode kama awmachi de nyina so kwe ni nyina no aye Yas omu product and was a upebi and so to edi choose na bow emanioma aye kama 0501 390337 0501 390338 dum pizet kaye chawana about to anawonsa and so ebeka emperifo na fei one papers anyfie eye op eho bomode enso beko na so odi opa obetimi afre no make enquiry sesanse momo ni kumasa makachos ade bia opebia no obe package ni kama amawonsaka duduom onsa beka bi ana ba kunwe ni bi nso no wobenya bi auto op one papers no wobenya also eno dia one papers and in the blind curtains colors ewom designs no a door so power varieties obe choose a banner ring light, a banner plastic wardrobes, air diffusers and flowers, a banner wall clocks and a water fountain. That games in OP. I say young country a brand ho a doom pizet. Nano kwasajman building him or Hello FM. And a chronomon so a barrier on the market and a DNM share 0540 353750. Bishop.
Fancy.
Now on where?
Oh, Nyamiadum.
Sompa Sports.
okay. No, also.
Kakra so.
And I'll call.
I'm a coy. There be a major.
So a reporter, the bay you went to.
So, maybe I shall say I'm full same to me.
And I can say, Biania, or say, I didn't know him, person be ready.
Oh, where were you? At some 4 lemon, my a Jonathan Quine.
For a one,
I precise or
minimum to the can
precise or
they be precise.
Also, Saniaco Gospel Ambassadors Church on our right on her. Jim Bishop
ambassadors know.
Oh, Fanum, how do bow
Gospel ambassadors and say, all right.
All right, oh, quite all right. There be free on Ansan or Gospel Ambassador.
To meet my pack or
bet me up pack or the all right on I what you wanna.
It's a 300 cities. This kind of any moment I say,
oh, worth it. So registration here no na obey bia so a month bia so anaja what you 100 yeah pa
tim van say 1500 na me dey hwe me ho afini na 1500 and me dru
okay
yeah baba there be
some passports
anyway Miss Patience Nyanta ewa Chimoda Government Hospital and then the birthday ta friend Duke Mami Chimoda Government Hospital. Miss Nyanta, happy birthday. Where Solomon Kusitete, Deputy Public Relations Officer for the Ministry of Youth and Sports. On the same show.
Some passports.
Birthday. Salama to Mohammed. And so was Secretary Dumasi Franti. And then we did 5 years. And the teacher, Solomon Kofi Eboasi, and wishing a happy birthday. Tisala, happy birthday. FIFA series, no? Omo munim bono ya ye friendly matches bi amomo bonye sa on se Cote d'Ivoire shey Uruguay
yeah
mo results no na wo kai kwa se also South Africa and Algeria board the Nelson Mandela Stadium
yeah
oh yes na omo de agro no hye so no 3-3 Yasin Banzia ebo brace and Themba Zwane nso ball brace hwego Yasin Banzia hye no what a wow. What are you doing? We and a proper touch and go. Or touch it and a course na.
Was Algeria for money bread.
Massa. Some passports. A home can womp papa touch. That was so. That name at Nakasa. Go there. Aiska. Yasin Banzia. Massa. Touch and go pa. Touch and go. Wow. 3-3. General, Gia in Krum no na go no. Can womp papa. What a go. Winner goes. Auntie, for the avoidance of doubt, and none upon common, I will say Magana for whom the echo so. Okay, the drama with this Vinicius Junior boy could end up killing his game. He should be careful. My video no.
Yes.
Park national I make Laporte mu pipian obuafu. Me wo say Shadrack any on the Laporte pretty cause captain of the side no problem. The BCS area. Ye pon ball no so a Vinicius say ye tantrums. Dey nko na won kwa dey na oje. Enra there is this gentleman who played for Deportivo La Coruña, Donato. Some Brazilian attacker been no.
So yeah, on the back as a provocation.
Video.
Yeah.
Intino obi a oti Spain ho. Abo Spain ho. Eye Brazil ni. He has all the markets of Vini because honestly Brazil ni oti Spain ho or bo Spain ho. Na nyamien kwani ya bobo na wi a what mesa akoye tantrums we ama na overshadow match. Ede nkwa na de video bi nkwa no mu video Netflix wo say dey Amazon Prime de nkwa no mu you anti no obe ni padwin. Now we've got to be serious. Vinicius Junior on re
some passports
ye nkwa ne dia bia. Oh, let's be serious. Mbappe is a better footballer. At no point should any of you compare this boy to Mbappe.
About no be January
at no point. Difference near the Mbappe in the Champions League.
Ronaldo
never won the Champions League. And so what? Yeah. When he names Mbappe no born in Bosnian ground almost season in here. But also Jaisa. The skill of Lamine Yamal. Yao Gomez not training 9-0, but still he drew the penalty out of him. Obiang referee. Nico Williams no so far ball now. Yeni no call Brazil right full back no so. Only ni me baby 1v1 ni. Ya referee. Ya huru capito. E won say mo yen Kenry. Hendrick Abba Benabao Abba chere a taste of what should we expected. Because Vinny Jr. had tantrums, captain of the side. Ye yanko adwuma we dey ntimi ne nye SNP. Omanisi. No born no more. What I say? Yanko no edoso dudu.
As I'm ready for the all start on your man say on beja okwan.
Ye yanko asafu me yanko wo no wasa. Se ne refia. Na wasa pa on Sompa sports. Chim ade no. Enye Trent and then refuse or be jine for that offside trap na. Nkasa ago no kra wan hye ne final no. So what I say, look, what should go? I'm a magic cap, which is fair and firm. But our competition will be akai. Say, Real Madrid Kosheja Tenuma, na Karim Benzema the UMP. That was his competition. And Mrena so say you would have to be your own man. Then I will no, yenye dear sao. So what I say, no that's CP. By Munich EBS supervisory meeting in May. Board no Nisha, Max Ebel, One Christoph Freund, or more deadline of 30th April. So mode coach or more settle on Ebeko. Bra mo brain and say Jabi Alonso, like we've said, has not given them any signal. Until your train says signal and the beba, no any move. Yeah. Also, so Essence say he's a shrewd operator. No, on Timin Tina Alonso China and Alonso China. Many people believe Real Madrid are the favorites for Alonso.
And also,
many people believe that
because in the clause, say in the format 3 teams,
many people believe. So, Obetimi Atna Leverkusen 1 year to have a taste of European football and for consistency. So 1 year in inquiry, no, Real Madrid de Jumana Bedampai, no ko. Ebin Sujidi, say Liverpool for na can be gunasum into they are highly optimistic. Into no more Kasabi almost say they still believe say he's the front runner. Okay, it could go south. That's why he's speaking to Deserbi. Say, okay, concerns have been raised. Say, anti-German. But we are policy this time around now. Freund, any Abel are not interested in a native German speaker.
Yeah.
They are interested in somebody who can manage an increasingly internationalized dressing room. And yeah, maybe now na players no 25 dressing room, you 5 pe and a couple of no. So a lot is changing. A man for GDC and Nagelsmann, every European Championship now, obey to me about. That's what we are picking up from the briefing. How the moment is it's not realistic. Say Julian Nagelsmann would come back and then coach this team. It's neither here nor there, but that's the reality. You can't say no man for fancy. Now a man for you can't almost rain and I'm there one. It's a double inverted number 10s. They dovetail with habits in a classic 4-3-3. Mama Bechi. They drop deep to provide a platform for the third phase of the build-up. Third phase, no actually.
Also, me stories me didn't even be share.
Second phase,
so tournament no crap.
Not double is better.
Until Ronald come as no kind.
What I say is in the oba. So I say ya show. Soon, into Virgil van Dijk, Supremo na nkasa na oboma koma no. Koma na ti bench. And no dey soon suma kwashe Van Dijk muzo on captain team no. And no more born. And Van Dijk ne say look, Musiala ne Veds koye omo fa so ball no. They created danger just when your ball ni bia re. Massa. Drop deep. Havertz occupy the space. My pass no call. In general move Verbruggen on a goalkeeper at the Netherlands. Saves. Murray saves. Murray Holland goalkeeper more than about Frankfurt and Rano. Saves. Because yeni near a beer gate no. Why near beer gate no?
Groups so
what I say? Why near beer gate no? Musiala. Jamal Musiala. Scotland for
group near Germany, Scotland, Hungary, Switzerland.
Ewurade.
Come from group say so.
Goalkeepers no more Peter Gulashi. And I was hungry. Scholar one of them.
Scholar the but you have so much I believe say.
Obebre papa. Peter Gulashi. No that was Germany anymore. Switzerland. Yanso men no Gladbach no Bayern Munich anymore. Na esro hono. Hono German group leaders. Ye more match from na top group. So what I say. In general, when you double inverted number 10s no.
Scotland they no de Angus Gunn. And a 2 point.
Angus Gunn Southampton. Of Manchester City neko.
So yeah there.
Opening match no for basket mra. Because double inverted number 10s na adwuma omo ye no. Musiala.
Sompa Sports.
And a Virgil van Dijk head to the new throw say no ohomi say twe. Adentia if you say double inverted number 10s no, they step up
more hard to
occupy the spaces in behind the attacker near Kayavets. Now almost stretchy game say Enra Musiala papa Enra no. Let me see me send the petition so they are command DFB ni say boot no nya almost some na that's my boot. Because the number of times Musiala went into promising scoring positions. Now still a partner man the top form no. Wow here game ni bi no. Na ntase nim. And the efficiency of the manshaft said that omo niagro mejao hey itimi chi obi share 9-8. What can qualify San Marino so be to Germany group ma e ready to be show 13. In e be che Saudi Arabia show almost 7 then 2002 World Cup no. You know, you look at the efficacy of the machine, the inverted number 10s. Na ye can sem na amount for ntiase no mo bowa no mo pesobolo vet or that form no bo through pass.
Afi krali
atsa. So Musiala so ya so no mu twe no. O twe na nche ne ho aturu se nkruma. An inverted number 10. Inti fancy ye wie wase ha no. Ye can say oh, ye here number 3. Because number 3 na say bo no Jonas sector no kolon. O ma me bre pa. Kakra bi no pensio ani lukuze. Na Enra no nipa na obo left back no Max Mittelstadt or Stuttgart. Say no hu go na to mu. Baby Ojina osoma ball no when you tapping. When you cross deflected slightly offside VAR go debi. Bueno straight connected ball no sir by broken hwe. Fancy ye science ye kra no. The ntia o se mo amoba no. Moko bom pa ye foforo ne say lack ankasa no e bia be di echi. Enra ball no how many meters and a tra line no. Niklas Füllkrug about Dortmund. Daniel Malin about Dortmund. Malin nashe goes to Dama Dortmund. They do international stage now. Dutchmeister.
Sompa Sports.
Weltmeister. Okay. Go to Niklas Füllkrug. Shebina Juweni.
Yo.
Double inverted number 10. Pass. Eko na ba ewurem na epie na number 10 for ni menu. Musiala na to form ho no.
Udo we are
yellow card. This is yeah, chairman for sa delivery. Na obetimi ni jama ya. Obetimi ni.
No, Bishop me that say. Yes, Asemba. Na tournament we start. Okay, yo. Whoa, me buy ya apostle hona ya toaso na 21st clinic. I say brother beje wa ya asiatica no. E ntini na free aye wachi kase ni mu. Eba woto ase. Eba cheso sirem esane ba fama. Aye onan kokomo calf. Aye ta kan so 92. Onan dua na kan si from ne 19. Ane chesa onan ho nyina no se mutwetwon. E mututu na wote ya ewom ama wo jon ho anje. Wotia so bia na ya ya wako. Enya ye say Morian Sobeko 21st clinic and Penifono and so as well yes and say ultra modern laboratory ultra scan services yeah body massage machine treatment and all yeah and ya bayama kumasi ha yeah share overseas junction yeah by alpha radio or boss a cancel court junction afei and cry aye dome market ana sunyane ya wo ho in kranza tachima nyina no won sabeka 0540 311 311 0249 311 311 Kangen and I check drinking water. Ayen so papa and so na de and so no ya bomodi anso be pebi and so na me survey our programs and be bia be ko bia be say baby e to nuane nyina ye survey Kangen and so our whole sense nuane no emu ahyemu magnesium nom iron nom afi potassium and calcium and I just say ahye nsuo mu man tonum bia brebia no ebo ema skin eye kama ema honam entwentwom so what 20 now body I say bia utwamba 107 nsuo isama akoma no pompimo jani ye ebo wakuma oliver and for kidney and ban ayi constipation from nsuo de yes water is life and tonum supano preko breman UGC Tafuni Road and about Ruth ehon nyina no kwa obenya B enso ato 0241 449191 0507 379474 Apostle Mamma
Fancy Bokodi
nyame adom na unso
nyame adom ye chobia we are saying Bema
Sompa Sports
very careful unya Bema ye Bema asamatu no nye Bema wa she trouser na Bema muse no enye na Bema 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 asamatu no ekon be fa so afemu apie aba successful nature so you're a man now eminent me quickly Cameroon your man be they produce great top players. I mean, if you are talking about Cameroon, the first generation really, you talk about, of course, Antoine, top goalkeeper, Thomas Nkono, top goalkeeper, Jack Songo, Carlos Kameni, top goalkeepers. Now, they've produced just a few to mention. Purpose of Niambabe. If you hear of Roger Miller, Unim, top great player. Uti Theophilus Abiga, the captain for the team when he won the second to 1980, Theophilus Abiga, top player. Top player. I mean, an incredible midfielder and a leader. You talk about Emmanuel Kunde, Stephen Tatao, same. Paul Infede, same. Benjamin Massing, the same thing. Oman Biik, Francois, Kana Biik, Ernest Mbongwe, Bonaventure, John Cap. These are all great, talented players that came in first generation. That led them to the World Cup quarterfinals in 1990.
Okay.
Then the second generation of Cameroon players, then one of the most efficient players, and then very successful players in Africa, Jeremy Njitap. Jeremy Njitap, a player very versatile. About right back, that's him. Right back, left back, can play as a central midfielder, but right side of midfield, Jeremy Njitap. That's him. Jeremy Njitap played for Real Madrid in 2000 Champions League final. The 3-0 that Madrid dropped against Valencia. The goals, Shadrach, let me see the goals. Well,
Njitap.
Yes. No, he didn't score, but I'm talking about the final that he played. The year 2000. Okay. Yeah, so you have, of course, Morentis goal, Steve McManaman. Those are the three wonderful goals that were scored. Beautiful goals against Valencia, Hector Cooper's Valencia. This was a team that he was part of. Casillas, Ivan Campo, Ivan Helguera, Aiton Karanka, Michel Salgado, Roberto Carlos. Because this game they played 3 center backs and then 2 wing backs. Steve McManaman. And the maestro, who was the captain, they call him Fernando Redondo. My name is Joshua Redondo Bola, but Redondo and Ariel Ortega, there's a story I'll come and tell one day.
Okay.
Great top Argentinian players who should have been far better than what Ronaldo and Messi, but they failed to live up to expectation. And then you have Raul Fernando Morientes. Now, he was part of the star-studded side. Jeremy Njitap. He won back-to-back, even though the shape of the 2002 team changed. Here you have Luis Figo then moved from Barcelona to Real Madrid. Then you have Zizou. Go and check Zizou's volley after Lucio has scored a wonderful volley from Zizou and Morente scored on that goal. So he a top player. And you're free on a movie straight to Chelsea. And a 2005 Jose Mourinho league winning team. I'm winning trophy league after 50 years, 50 years, 5 decades, he was part of it. Oh, so you have Peter Cech, Glenn Johnson. He played alongside Glenn Johnson, Michael Essien, Michael Lilly, Frank Lampard, Ricardo Carvalho. Ricardo Carvalho is one of the finest centre backs the world has produced.
Yeah.
Alessandro Nesta Bob. You see Ricardo Carvalho, there are a lot of similarities. Yeah.
Okay.
Nesta is one of the most intelligent centre backs I've witnessed. Alessandro Nesta. So he played among these top Chelsea players and won. That's the Maestro Didier Drogba. This is a team that Ian Robin was part of. Joko, Ashley Cole, yes. So, and you can imagine what it means to be part of this star-studded team. It doesn't come. It means you are a quality player. That come easy. And very successful. He won 2 Champions League with Real Madrid. Abe winning league title 2 also with Chelsea. Then African Cup of Nations. The second generation of Ivorian, the Cameroonian top players, the team that played African Cup of Nations in the year 2000, 2002. And he featured regularly. He's never substituted. In those Cup of Nations, you don't substitute him. So you have, and now Ali Mbuka has then taken over the goalkeeper department. And then Pierre Wome, you have Pierre Wome, and then Pierre Yanka. Bill Chato rather be changing it later. But Pierre Wome, Pierre Yanka, the Raymond Kala, the general, Erigo Besson, is the best centre back over the last 2 decades that I played AFCON. That 2 centre backs. And you have the true will always be Laurent Etambeya, Jeremy Injitab. Laurent Etambeya, Jeremy Injitab. And then you are going to have Marc Vivien Foy, that three normally are back to back. And the 3 midfield was back to back. The Nippon Sisa were back for no pay Bill Chato. Then you have Eto, Patrick Mboma. Afron. Joseri Jobu come for the bench and now Lucien Metomo. So Jeremy Njitab played this and then played 2002. This was against Nigeria. And two say one Kukano Bemu. Yes, so this Taribo West team. Ike Shorumu, you have Taribo West, you have Eyeremu Furu, who play at centre back of Taribo West, and you have Gordon Okpara, who have Celestine Babayaro. In midfield, you have JJ, the maestro coach, or Metu Adepuju, and then you have the man Finidi George, Sando Lise, Wanko Kano, Rafael Chuku, who scored the second goal equalizer for the team. So you have that. Then you have Julius Agahoa, you have Tijani Babangidi, Victor Ekpeba on the bench. So star-studded team that Cameroon went and won the cup. Yeah. The 2002 was against Senegal. Unim, the Senegal team that went to the World Cup, Anna Bruno Mathieu. That is the team they made. The only addition to this particular squad, that Jeremy Jitaboy, Pius Indefe, Patrick Shufo, and Bill Chato. These were the 3 additions to the. So the squad was there. Now, Olympic Games 2000, Cameroon, shared Spain in the finals. Cameroon shared Spain in the finals and won. He won gold. That's Jeremy Njitab. Or a top free kick expert as well. When it comes to penalty kicks, everybody is solid. Now, guess what? So, this 2002 penalty shootout that they won 4-3. Okay. Where Tony's goalkeeper, Tony Silva. This was a team Ferdinand Koli, Omar Daf, Lamin Diate, Habib Beye. And then you have the midfield through Salif Dao, Buba Diop. And you have Mokhtar Indiaye, Henry Kamara. Henry Kamara played Kalu Fadiga, Suleiman Kamara, Mokhtar Musa Ndiaye, Fire Admiral. So now, this was the team that Omobo against. Now, Oya when you know, that's Ferdinand Koli. So, Oya you know, now, let me come to the substantive matter. I'm trying to short. One of the most successful 2 European Champions League, 2 league titles with Chelsea, 1 La Liga, 1 Spanish Super Cup, and 1 2 AFCONs. Top class successful player. Africa, how many players are successful like him? Who yet to free? Anyway. Now, so I need you to do now to the substantive matter. On any UAJ. Now, Laura is a billionaire Victor Olochu. Billionaire. Nkola 121. She's part of the 121 children. And our Papa Nwari 25. So, that is Laura, a beautiful woman. Now, Onuni also come from a family where the father has 70 children and with Ma 5. But that is not the matter. Beautiful. After achieving where you know, you must settle down. But there's always a challenge settling down. The making of the choice of who a wife should become a serious spiritual matter. It's not always physical. So when you see it's a serious spiritual matter. Now, on the share way back in 2006, and almost at a date. In 2008, and I catch and I so minimum. Also, sir, me and I was where. Okay, so that's Rigobert. Sorry, that's Jeremy Njita with the two twins. Only twins. Niri Loreni. Now the challenge is that, and the Obano can't send me no so. Some me madia, and they send me making sure say yeah they are rich. So in 2012, in June 2008, in 2012 no so, yeah ware no, but after one kolano, ware no, bibia official and warrior. Sena only Bermano ewo hona nyinsene ban only the ex-husband. This is the wedding. Ni kunu dada sanko die in that moment. Nti omo die no enye Berman na nyinsen oba no ni kunu dada na nyinsen no. Ba no nim
bobi egu ne kaso.
And I listen to everybody who they what can hear there. Every man who have a child must think about the DNA of the child. That's what the matter is, isn't it? Who a young man be out here near Jeremy 45.
No baby awo. And I say be no wife or ma pa pekwan be no kwe
DNA. Say only wo yire na we yene. Aye. In Kolano bebre wo ho a there will be doubt about that. I'm telling you this today. After 45 years, eya kasakasa odatelam tebi tu no kuro ma refi.
Enokre.
Wa hwen kolesa and nyame wo kon be fa so be you too. Takasaka mo na o kan bibi no say aden Kolano nyame ma amoyame masesen. And I say I say me na okay. On say about sa carelessness, my emotional and also them go DNA. And I'm go DNA test and say na maza Kolano nyanye ni ma. After 12 years of marriage, Kolano nyanye ni ma. Now, or see why you're traumatized, why you're shocked. He's 45 years. He has to start all over again. Nyamine Dibu ano say
Jesus wa be Ghana man capsules na was a budge maybe yes idea.
Before Ghana man capsules,
injita be have track o.
Nye here pa obia a young man bia don't trust a Kolano woman not to do a DNA. Don't. Every man that is married, don't.
What's what resist you pa?
Me say opa fe diagro. It has happened to illustrious people. Illustrious people, top people. And you know, or beme bia we married biano started so dream the other wives of mana wono.
Okay.
Mana wono ebiana we ma. And this thing I'm saying is a serious issue. Who bet him the idea grow? But a man for bed Diego account. What's your name? Yana say, Usha Kolano. Why na look, what taught estate among Kolano USA? Jeremy Njita. In the name of the children. Now, what do you have a family outside Kolano Yoma?
Apostle Mate, we say there was also be a copescana.
Fancy.
Momo DNA Mohana. Where DNA also. When Ghana helps any negative precision. Because I didn't read a big issue. I didn't know whose story I'm saying. Hey, Injita Mokranian and a Quabota for idiot.
Fancy the woman said, Brina, the banner. Sabi Beman won't me perform Mirella. Said it TBR or XBR or wife XBR, no, and then John Personal. Obeko. So I say, if you are not X, Nibiana Sabinane, Beman and Beman, Nibiana so come with me a day, a bomb match near come with not check come. But if you are no, what 2 minutes. 3 minutes, 5 seconds now. What you if you are Beman to Sabi, a phone for an day, a phone. It's your bassa, any dear cranning a day. Emma, it's your bassa by Connie, the ex and one, and ex boyfriend, you are not ex be no day. Or could you man come on. And Nuntina, Ghana man capsules, Ghana have therapeutics, Ghana man capsules about marketing. Sabema beer and your before 2 fee, no mumbi. No more, no problem, or mamma, some day, ACP Sitamam, because a Bema. Se sebe utimi ma enije bag opramane so ya e fa oni scale no botom o yere behwew o ba na nete o behwew because o sharpna ni like o bo adwuma kama ma na won to ne ho sisi ne ho so because o ba na o ba bi hye mu na se ne ho sisi ne ho so a e do how bebre ba but se ne ho sisi ne ho so kama da bia o sorry ya ne enije ho se obi o ane one e bia adamfo mienu na ye ade chi ne ya ma ba ku breakfast in bed ba ku anya breakfast in bed die dia anajo no ya sharp wa ye adwuma ne kama bibia da din be wo ma oba no ho ahyehye e ho ato ne kama but wo de wantima ma wo nkani ho anto ye fi na ntokwa popa ye bekwa ko wi ase na esebe be ma wa emre ɛnu nti Ghana man capsules na market ne so Sompa sports news itu dey mema no be brain fan ya futu na mo Ghana man capsules ne bi dey
e be fa so dey bi kwa command because
I say apostle ba
they say we didn't dey say container ba ko
oni I say ye konu fio ankase ne ye na ka ye ne
Is a drone on few home, so my mansion. Near Tintin Fidia be all.
Nay, man, no, sir. It's Ghana capsules and the way a bear now, Timia. Yes, so Bohum or dinner, no. Now, Mamma, some year they endimu. I drop up, Ebia, yet enough videos, so I say, oh, and I'm there, and no brain about it, if you didn't swakasa, Namadium, so a Ibia, name. Ghana Health Therapeutics, yes, Ghana for Ghana Mema, and Ma Yabamamo. So, Opesa, when you're dry, but Brown, yes, you now, Mema, some Edim now, ye, any ajon, or you're better now, or you're quabon thing. Wobema no so sabe untimin quabon thing because I bet boy am out to I will come up one to what now, ain't chain. And Nunti and I come for Ghana man capsules at the amount. It's our Beman air from Bemano. 10 years na pese bi beka ho de ma be ma no pese mu ye du de ma be ma no pese gina so che intini mra ho fa ma na epagya ne ti a oba ne ma hye hwehwe Ghana man capsules echi akwan no numbi na mo na ne wo mema asem nye de endi mu ye de enfama your poster joy all market no so poster joy mema da bia me bon de road ma be ma ye wadru because on our postage gland na e wo ho unyi no na postage ni unyi nti be eye kese sa na ebe de ebe mia odwun so twa no nti eba sa e do ha be ba odwun so twa no enu nti na so onya poster joy na wo no na aboa atimi abo prostate health no ho ban ade ama no watimi adwun so eyi ana wadwun so freely ade ama ho ene emema bebre ena nro so emema bebre ahye omo katita ansa na se bia na rubber to omo bema mu ansa na se bia omo timi ade adwun so ade na wo for ya obi mu na wo pɛ poster joy echi akwan na wo no bi na moa na wo timi nyu so freely
enkrema ya de ne kra
ma because poster joy no obetimi amom ade abo ho
the ma yi say anadwubia abeda no anu baako
anadwubia no anu bokoda
ana Ghana man capsules no so awia bo 1 awia 1 pm no abo 1
na me kire mo na me kire mo magic bi ne Easter no kodi Easter no second bia holidays
ko Easter e be miam pa pimpinis bia be twin ko ma
emema no be bo ma no ka nti o say e carbon no ye de ewie nti me kire mo mo magic 2 bi no ma ya de
Easter ye friend fa be wo so
sabe pepe se fancy
fa be wo so Easter
wanya Ghana man yi de
Sompa sports anya draga you kran kam hwe ni nyina kwa gumanu na me pensuo boy na say Easter utisimu
de dog Ghana man capsules no Ghana Health Therapeutics you know say esusan so boni bi animu say ofa aduro no for a long distance so ofa aduro no for a short time and answer for a long time esusan so boni bi animu because ya self dem aye research afa ho akono Gucci FDA ajatum say there be edo ofa straight to that target organ so remember something na ofa Ghana mana eno a koye adwuma ni straight
eni sunsun so boni bia
and diabetes enko how kidney and diabetes enko fa how no akoma na say liver e ko straight to bema na ye adwuma kama ade ama it mama be brain na wo fie na wo say bema bi e na mo na yire mpagya no da bia wo ti sem no if said that for me maybe not talk now so dey abo match ni feel
the boss will break ye as wonim no break ye
sentina
sa
many ade say me dey Ghana man capsules
bon rona
isi an mo say isi an na
ade ba ko no say enye to say be a performance enhancing drug na wo fa wo de wo obu on ma to say be a 8 years ni on fa ho nka oba krada but da bia yo ho adrosi
it's bia ho ni tunya match na we enye say wo ko fa prempren do we enye prempren do because wo fa ni prempren do dia e de anim guase
Sompa sports
ko siesie chimana ide atu oni pedi anim no be siesie ni kama na afiri amabadi na ko back to its normal state na e say dey otimi gina so che no etunya Ghana man capsules ni dia e be boa ama bibia e kama ade ama say 500 no so market no so say 500 na yaken oni o ma di hyiamu na say bo ho ban afi infections ho say 500 and e be say adwuma na ma nya say 500 a ono nom na boost immune system na de ama na say bo ho ban afi UTIs any STIs ho nti say gonorrhea say syphilis say chlamydia say herpes genital was and sansa na agu be ma no and sansa na agu anfio nsuo
ade ba kwa etran pa no
so obi betimi abie so ama na
nyankopon bad wo se wo foforo a e fefe na bia omo no mutwa na mo from say wanzamfo no ba betwa ma mo atete no mutwa na e kama na agu but ade fefe no ma ho ye tan a sabi ade e tan
se fun mi bie so che wa nyoma che se
mo so mo ya na mo koyi ade ato mana num ade nso wan tan wo ye de to wonu mo abeje
wonye enu tu ye be ma na wuti mo ye oba na wuti
ma de no hunye neat
awe nyina wa unya say 500 no bi na ye dey esiesie na bibia ya kama informa na na secret na me kire me ma no ma ye no ye unya Ghana Bam no unya Ghana Man capsules.
So Ghana Man capsules. Shadrack Muntie ni yo Ghana Bam and Ghana Man capsules.
Onum Ghana Man capsules ewia 1 p.m. 2 no enwume 8 p.m. onum 2 no enwume no awokoda no na wo de bia shasha waist na wa ya ase.
Say the aso normal waist space na
wa de shasha na wokoda
na bosses mo
na wo cut na tie kakra bi.
Okay no tua. Okay.
Fancy. Ade tia wo de yeto aso 3 days.
Na be wo sa ho ya de kokro about sisim
it is a way be man na se be obema na wukodwo to intimi story a
Sompa sports
ade we amade magic way sa we yi amade ama we ye remedy amade ama we wo de ye na hwe within 1 week 2 weeks na hwe de be man no afi de ahomache wo ho na be man na afi de na eboni tinko na peja no se magic
ayo kotra ota na
sa pepe it Ghana Health Therapeutics there enwe de ba market no so enye no ketwa itinya bi na no na mo na nsisi
Ghana for them was pa because ye no ma be unze be say aka be 4 days na 8 years me fa no kan ba da o until o say any pedro na
ka me ya bo me se ma so na asabo na ni a che nti we na ya bo me se eti de o market no so be bia o be fa bia
I just say hey everyone
also no be bia we bia dey ato nti we team na okumasi anko ade a betimi akopie
Sompa sports
bunya do ni biato have made pharmacy labor as of labor bunya biato and na mo tech KAK pharmacy or tech junction overhead na se wonma ho ana KK pharmacy we bunya do ni biato ntie nuanu ma se be mo ko school or tech no e ma na infections na mema na infections ha mo na mema na mo pese mo nya do na boa ma mo mema se mi di mu no mo call KK pharmacy mo tech junction wa obenya biato numbers e dey adwuma na doctors ya lines mo fra ni mu ni nkomo
okay
0244 72 70 0244 72 70 0240 211 709 211 709
okay Ghana Herbs and Therapeutics I'm on a day Ghana Man capsules and afi Ghana Bam nom and so abedwa so prostate joining na monko pe bi entonamonom ebebo mo pa ye ko break abaye bana ya ba beto aso no make out say where food for thought omone omanhene ministries and Carbon Liberty Conference April edition ebaso na yi e free Genesis chapter 48 verse 8 the ex blessing enye omanhene Alvin ya adubuache ana dwumadi esi ne sra so na Mama Joyce Abuaje afei MOG ana minister Kwame Jedu woman nyina no ebeba se ababe hu enwom ame atontum nyame na bibia aye fine on a day aye 6 o'clock anopa e Jubilee Park 13th April ana sajumadi basuntisha so Liberty Conference April edition enye abra ne be nhira bibia be fra usu no nkoda na nyina no ebekọ anyame betene ne nsama nyoma e kama ye ko break na basisia na retired refugee came no ha mo na mo yese go we nye go we na we ye go na we aye outside ni nyina babaka GPL extra ye de bebro ye nkomra.
Hey, Sewa, me watch you. Me na no me bisa cry so kwa brochu.
Kwaku, afei na mebeko. Me nkrata krani.
Hey, eni me ma connection man for den kofo sika adwane ne wanya otu di musa no.
Oh, Express Group adarumenti akwento ayefo. Opese otu kwan kosua dia. Express Group do be call mind me to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany. Say e to ana se visiting so a Express Group do be call Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, and Germany. Mo amopese motu kwan koye adwuma nso obetimi de wako Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good good job in the UK. You should make sure Kwai Kumasi Asafo Labour roundabout Hwa Accra so Omo Carnation First Light Tema Omo Community 18 Lashebi Girl Filling Station. From Omo Shofo Iso 055 555 0067 and 0249 000448.
Mamisha time HH Heba Mr. Bina Unumi and your what dropa a ya draw. Yadro say mani peduan kwamwa enya hoden na akwatia yare entwen yare ansan wakwakoto fire wadro na nom no abribia Kanoga Company Limited what the time TIME ebedwaso no wono a na the time HH Heba Mr. edia bedwaso akra wonyanya mfisia dumienu anum bi wopemfo ene oba wo ma akra nufo enso anum bi time HH Heba Mr. Ubenya bi
over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu
so pedudo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time HH Heba Mr. Yadro say FDA adie adwadie nkratoi atum
the ones that now from toothbrush no why and toothbrush no ninya Ashford
na ninya Ashford there na so evident no way
who that the evidence ben ninya Ashford toothbrush.
Oh sweetheart, Ashford toothbrushes no you want different types she abena dey amoku bi Ashford Princess and obra ko judie no so Ashford Galaxy wodie na ira no so Ashford Evident media so Ashford Executive and now media no so Ashford Friendly
that Ashford toothbrush
my dear, Ashford toothbrushes are who do dear. Papa, moto. Ne to me bow dodomi ye dani bia akwashishaho. Ashford Prince, Ashford Princess, Ashford Friendly, Ashford Evident, Ashford Executive, ne Ashford Galaxy toothbrushes. Fibo Ventures na kofabe daso. To phone friend 0241 545 646 and 0200 600 934. Ashford toothbrushes. They will soon need.
If I shall be a mission, you'll bag it.
Brother, and not so good.
What are you going to see about Queen Wayne and say?
Bra, said your time about Misha, as your Jimmy fearful, and not the about ever so.
Really, do this offending now.
Bra, and because I made the time about Misha one dance ya. We are singing now about Timinka. It is some malaria. Where do any time about Misha?
I know go, dear, no matter what to me any deal. What do any time about Misha? A drink, and your ma or bar waffle through. The one mark for down for any aquada when you feed you and son of the total about Mr. Draven. She's a walk hospital and answer lab. I'm what who said, oh, a 3D malaria be answer.
I also time me TIME. Time about Misha. I feel malaria fever be than is Ziva a woman. Even slap. Ubenya be at all over the counter medicine sellers. Any herbal shop to draw namu. FDA aji a judging cratoi at home.
And check if we gentlemen dental clinic and chechra ubitimi anase anamoa ubitimi afaso ediabo osen ehoban odidi wi na ohoho wonu eno so ya dia ehia pa enuane nkaye no a odidi wi a eka wonu no e woso timide ensuo ehoho wonu na opigu eno eya anamoa ubitimi ediabo osen hoban o situ a eho nso ehia pa se e wo se osi if you say wansi esen no ema esen na aka ho no ahoden ekofom e wo se ultimate brush utiti no 2 minutes twice every day debia no e wo se ultimate spend 2 minutes and not less than 2 minutes e pipiri osen anopa ene anumre gentleman dental clinic ye chia kwan enye yira kwan kura abrepo junction total filling station wa traffic light na anihwe G runabout no ufri total filling station na yabron san no na edi ho direct opposite to the Methodist school ho ena gentleman dental yo ye adwuma free eda juada kopem eda memeda.
We are back, bringing you the latest lineup from Betway. Betway starts strong with their front two, with Free Play Friday and Swipe Bet.
I'm not for now.
In the middle, you've got all the control with Cash Out and Build a Bet. Plus, with Win Boost, you can boost your sports bet. At the back, they have Smart Picks and the Passion Daily Jackpot.
You always get way more with Betway.
enipa baako pɛ ɛna pam adeɛ hyɛ wo a obia hyia wo a wɔsan hwɛ obie mu ɔnoa ne bafo polo no wɔasua nkasa ɛna ɔde nimdeɛ no nso yi adwuma ɛnti sɛ ɔdwidwi style ɛto hɔ a ɛda hɔ a na ɛhɔme bafo polo no ɔde Africa print textiles ɛna pam na deɛ biara ɛnti ɔpam Africa print polo shirts, round neck shirts, golf shirts, V-neck shirts, any pee ɔpam atufoɔ betu kogu wɔn stores any boutiques ɛnti sɛ wo so wonyɛ adwuma betu bi kɔtɔn na ɔnte so ma wo churches, fan clubs, schools, unions ɛne ɛkuro biara mohia dodoɔ no ɛde ma mo members no ɛne mo students no mo mmra mo nso a mopɛ Friday wear ɛde ama mo workers bafo polo ɛtwɛn mo ɔwɔ gold package ɛno ntade no ɛhyɛ mu aduo mu silver package ɛhyɛ mu dunum ɛna bronze ɛnso hyɛ mu du ɔyɛ delivery ɛkɔ ɔma mu afa na baabia bafo polo ntade no nso yɛhyɛ kɔ baabia na wɔpam mama ɛne mmarima nyinaa bafo polo ɛwɔ Kumasi ahenema kɔkɔbɛn santase na ɔboase kwan no so telephone 0249 600 789 and 0599 899 919 and Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok ɛnso yɛ at bafo polo mese sɛ wo hyɛ bafo polo dia oh ɛneɛ na wo nhyɛ hwee.
Welcome to St. Andrews SHS. I am grade A private SHS. Yeah, SHS courses near general art, science, business, no work couple. Ever St. Andrews SHS, oh yeah, dinner ever pass. O send one teachers now. What's your window? Discipline. No first one was yati. St. Andrews, Riviera supermarket, sick bay, barber shop, swimming pool, FM station, constant water supply and electricity. Admission room condo, Eric Chanabati, Pico from say, what it from SHS 1, 2, and 3. St. Andrews SHS, what branches Riviera or Ghana. Sapade Paso Asia, St. Andrews, Saboko Schoola, Koskula Woodson, Ama Paso Wasi one time. St. Andrews SHS. Perseverance leads to success.
Within the Nat Kobina Edisi, Dodona Femi Bolare, near CEO Ma EIB Network, ne Empire Group. We will be a minimum young for Taji, the Sansobo Golf, and now Majuma Army Yinti, Abribia, Nama APC. Being Fiedun Sieni, with their cutting when you be prayer, Jidim, or Ghana, and Yamaname. I mean, Tina may imagine, said, Mamma Pumudi, Yame, Coa Plus Mixture. And Namenom, and the bois minipedua, said ye beya, the peduan benya modin, a quintia yadia. Fakua plus mixture and ne, and fabua or pomodin.
So, Pedro Tua, Fracoa RMLC, Jimmy 0244 726 611, and NASA 059 156 5778. Coa plus mixture, and your mapping for, and my woman for, and in Quada when you're in fear domain. FD Jane Gideon Cratchway Atum.
I am a soldier and a battlefield, waiting to hear the voice of
so beje baton no asisi ene mom bafu polo ntade ne de wonim dada ye wada bianu abia ne ye hwenti egu so bom daro ne nkai se companies and afi schools and institutions am up Friday wear ebi de cry Wednesday wear na am up de am school kwada ene chese adwumefo na abrebia aye uniform amane o ma fefe no bomode yan se one bafu polo ebe kasa wo hye na na adenche na wo chena watade na red ne mom wo panu dudom over 1,000 afei over 2,000 just say nimuro na watch baako ni nyina ntade no wonsa ebe African print no a ano de pam emema ne man nyina ntade polo shirt ewom wo pam golf shirt pam v-neck esam pam round neck shirt enso edema ni nyina no aye bafu polo adaroma obetimi ahyade na afo aye ne kama de ama atade no ba bia beso kobia no timi hwe enso edekọ ema wo dam sonko o ahenema kokoben off Santase kwan ne so 0249 600-789 0599 899-919 afe Boris B chicken nkokọ no de ede makacho sa akokọ no so upebi ede aye stew upebi ede abonkwan papa bi ananse bia upebi atoton de aye how far when anya akokọ achese ede aye antibiotic nom and just vitamins nom enso ahye aye pure organic we no yankasa Ghana nkokọ no bi na yenuanom aye kramofo no muslimifo no enso aye ma aye comment aye halal what dey je ede ton aduane onkonkonya haw wo ye ede serve awo ho a unya haw bi sanse wo bi etimi wi akokọ no bi wo pe full chicken wo pe thigh wo pe chicken wings wo pe gizzard ane dia kan nyina bia Boris B ebeton bia man dodo bia wo pe ane se wo pe bia to de akofia akwa wo aduane no bomodi anse wo be hwehwe o machi akwan poku trading e wa dum obenya bia to SG Mo e wo tech top high won sabeka bia facial e wo body junction so no yeton bi e wo ho Santase runabout ye ne Unity Oil edi animhwe aswanse anafe Bantama High Street when press bia sorry no enso edi animhwe 0544 4453 now Boris B and so enjoy so it's my kitchen restaurant and a Wednesday and a pizza da buy one get one free uto pizza bakwa ye chow bakwa chna ya wada uto bankune tilapia bakwa ye chow bakuntu po chna kwana koto bankune tilapia jedebe chon fashion fridge ma de chia oben ho adwuma na afori a check how far we no anuane no de opedi bia benya bi say ye fufuo ni akokọ nkwan fufuo ene tilapia nkwan fufuo ni aponche fufuo ni bush meat no e ban se bia mutuo ne chese nkate a emu api a chese wonya wa punch bi ene chese red fish bi hyehyem ni nyina na is my kitchen so ebe serve o kama ama ne man so aye fine ban continental afa ban Chinese cuisines ne so a is my kitchen say for nuan ni nyina no ebe hye ne nsa ne serve e wo programs na say enso Emma Stadium wo mo ben traffic light no aye 0265 707070 0248 865046 and afi Kulun Ghana Limited woman dinu pan abedwa so aye China phone ro Kulun ye kan for adiama wo ba wadro Araba Bazin tablet na aye adwuma pa eyi menstrual pains eyi menstrual disorders eyi jaw e wa bra no kunu hia da bia no aye ajish and whoosh and ultimate can bind to me ye honda and that one on your maya am say a maya bay so monwaya chain the or ju kunu and fan kwayam paibo do huni na yo huye na man your manya kama na ma kunu so aninje no Araba Bazin tablet and a bebow a bay just a poor libido ni low libido now for blood circulation or amamojan sweat me dear for Sunday kama bema also men or by nunti dia draw your friend Mr. Q abejaso a ye China Hamano Munubina and the Mr. Q adroy low libido ebeko slow erection as able to now for premature ejaculation or also what to as ye kama Nemo Saw Johnson na bemam ya or bemam show Debian what Johnson we crowd fools where we are what prade we what can the show kwan still nessa so good shots no more what drono aye hunchun capsules ano and a babuama prostate what me abon ho by baby a todro bia benya biato 0244 275429 0206 271016 yes virus sabibia ikudie
fancy
yes yɛhyɛ asɛm firi hɔ agya bɛɛ ne dɛn easter ne ɛba ne nso ɛyɛ wad paa
so we na beto
ɛbɛba Sompa Sports
nti my room na GPL extra influence and we ni my monitor ne because and the referee won some kapa and some ho a referee be he no adi ho komonti we GPL extra match with 23 and ye ho some and eba na no ada na games ne ba na we na komo asei na ensensem no enso sitie ho emrantia o mo match with 23 man of the match award no sei na ho ensensem no enso sitie abrantia your friend Razak Simpson usina kan e de matima your friend Nations FC o mane asante kotoko and a boy giving the ball na we no and yi ni say abrantia born homodin pa Evans or say usina kan e de masamate so mane has to folk ne boy or no enso eji man of the match no enso etimo ho Solomon Agbasisi na kan enso ho a ono enso eje
Sompa Sports
enso any dream service no enso edimi boy sanso na Albert Amoa enso sina kan ma Great Olympics ono so je e de tia team friend Adrenal Football Club ubenya Emmanuel Boatia Jenim ono enso esina kan ma bofo akwata no omane Karela na team boy ono enso etime je man of the match award no enso ho Steven Amankuna eje wa bra Brekum Chelsea enso ne Bechem United enso edi bomu no ene sede ensem no enso esiko Joseph Amoa enso eje edema team a your friend Legon City wa bro mo so ni Swatman enso etimi de boy ni a eno enso ne de wi anoma no enso esiko asuno ajete enso eje edema Real Tamale United wa bra omne eye Accra Lions enso edi bomu ho no ene sede ensem no enso esifa ko ye Mustafa Yakubu sinakan edema Heart of Lions omne Babiani Gold Stars ne boy a ono enso etimeje edisi na so ehun sem no ye de etu ahwefo ne atiefo anim league table no after match with 23 say na league table no enso city Samate said kind 42 points second position no Nation Service or 40 points third no Adrenal Football Club or 36 Brekum Chelsea etoso 4 for no enso ewo ye 34 points obenya team a your friend Bechem United ono enso edi ho a ono enso have 4 position wa bia enso atimi akoye 6th position ye Mediama ono enso ewo 33 points obenya enso atema na toto 7 fa ono so 33 obenya House of Folk ono so toso 8 fa or 32 points Asante Kotoko enso 32 points ono enso toso 9 into 8 and then 9 na ya Asante Kotoko and House of Folk respectively 32 points ono moa or many do can a 10-point difference in the dam and no and the real 7 enso see Great Olympics enso edi ho or toso 10 for no so 31 points ubenya team of friend Legon Cities 11th or 31 points Accra Lion toso 12 or no so 30 points no anya Babiani Gold Stars or no so toso 13th or 29 points Dreams FC toso 14th or no so 28 points but no outstanding game back or no so betimi abo sanso na Kerala United or toso 15th or 27 points but for Akatano toso 16th or 26 points Heart of Lions and to 17th or 22 points after Real Tamale United etwa ono enso 22 points so shade odi kan 42 oni Asante Kotoko ne House of Folk 10 points gap ne dam sanso na de otwa to no nso a wo no nso no oni Asante Kotoko ne House of Folk nso 10 points in the team dam tie no ene sede ensem no enso city o Ghanaian Premier League ni ma ya de ho nsem and to
Sompa Sports
ni komo ewo di ediso no de asei ene no so ho nsensem no enso city ere tu ahwefo enso ne atiefo anim se owura mu a most wins I know enso timbe ba ewo Ghanaian Premier League ni hu nsensem ni na no enso etimi ho ebetimi enso edi hu komo on di shark we he na o de amame hand we no most wins teams are omo enso edin kunim ye pa ewo Ghanaian Premier League nim after match 23 no Samates di kan 13 wins and wanya sanso na benya Nation Service otoso mienu ono nso anya 12 wins Adrenal Football Club anya 12 wins Brekum Chelsea anya 10 wins Inswateman anya 10 wins Bechem United anya 9 wins Mediama ewo 9 wins Asante Kotoko ewo 9 Legon Cities ewo 9 afa Great Olympics enso edimo inter wo hwe teams o ma winning games pa top 10 House of Folk ni mo season we House of Folk ni Asante Kotoko nso anya 9 wins per out of 23 games di say na ma city enso tu teams na wo kuma yeso o mo yempanifo na de ni mo ye no emu orem yen toaso na afei yen nin komo no enso emfa toaso dia uramu a we no omo enso atimi accumulate points pa enso wabra omo ebo omo last 5 games no se wo show won atimi accumulate points pa na se de no ho nsensem no enso sitie ena medeba abetu ahwefo enso ne yatiefo se wo sha nation service ne dikan the last 5 months 5 matches games no team a accumulate points kese pa no nation service wono 10 points ubenya Accra Lions wono so toso mienu 10 points and wenya in the last 5 games ubenya Mediama ono so wenya 8 points in the last 5 games House of Folk enya 8 points in the last 5 games na fe Babiani Gold Stars in the last 5 games ono enso etimi enya 8 points dia no ene say no masitie so he 5 games na possible 15
there's up to possible 15 no okay nations enya
10 wow challenge enya 10 this san and no enso the ento aso na yenko most home wins and I hear kwa din komo enso etimo na o most home wins na Samata Sandy kan biem ti afi Samata Sandy emergency league ne de se ne ma to mu pa mo a omo so betimi adwomo ena di kan with 10 wins ena Samata Sanya e ofie ade na toso mienu with 10 wins Nation Service e toso miensa with 8 wins in Swateman edi ho 7 wins Bechem 7 Brekum Chelsea 7 Mediama 7 Legon Cities 7 Gold Stars 7 Afei Accra Lions enso e was 6 intiano ene said ye no ano enso sitia de e to ahwefo ene atiefo nta wo hwe teams o matima wi ni wo fie pa ye teams akese no obi anim asade kotoko nim House of Folk nim intiano ene said no ma enso sitia na urom e wo most away wins a ho ena e bia wetima hu asane kotoko no enso e hwe se no ma e koye de man top 10 e wo most away wins no asane kotoko di kan with 4 wins no manya Nation Service nan yo be sha asane kotoko no so nya 4 away wins Brekum Chelsea toso 3 Nswateman wo ho onso wo 3 Samates wo 3 aduana e wo 2 Mediama wo 2 Bechem United enso e wo 2 Legon Cities wo 2 na afei Great Olympics enso e wo 2 ano ene de we ansam enso esi ko most goals are teams na share power in Premier League nim no say oh he after match with 23 ado kan no Adriana Football Club 33 goals no enso timi a share Samates o habimo Samates foi afio mani abro omoto so mienu with 31 goals Gold Stars wo ho 30 goals Nations 27 Adriana Football Club enso edi kan no ubenya Accra Lions no 26 Bechem United 26 House of Folk 24 Real Tamale United 23 or we nanso washegu the chen Kumasi Asane Kotoko no 22 and Dream FC enso ho a ono nso 22 ntia no ene said ensensem no enso esi ko penalties apiem pa afi na omo enso about top 5 penalty scorers no say na sitie amankona ba Kotoko no man cheda amfa ma no ko penalties no de to ho bebo enso timi da to atinam 4 penalty goals and advantage timi a share Saka Dawuda Sinakan and of kwata no 3 Ebeneza Aban 2 Abantre friend Asamoah Boateng free Nation Service wa she 2 na Evans Osewusu enso atimi a she 2 no ene said ensem no enso esi ko de ma ya hwefo enso ne ya tiefo na omo lose matches pa no yenhwe omo enso atimi lose matches pa no top 10 say na so won sensem esitie Real Tamale United di kan 13 matches ena Real Tamale United enso atimi lose ofri ho a no about team e friend Adriana Football Club 11 games no mo enso atimi lose Legon Cities lose 10 Nswateman lose 10 Brekum Chelsea 9 House of Folk 9 Asane Kotoko 9 Kawela 8 Dream Service 8 na vi Gold Stars and so 8 in this normal echo year teams ne yard ya no hu Asane Kotoko hoda House of Folk hoda be duru ha betima hu House of Folk ntia no ene said ensem no enso si ko top scorers na ya fe yentimi ensore so na ne ma no entimi ko because ref aba obetimi adi nkomo abranch refer na Asamoah Boateng free on di kan wa sha Asane Kotoko was one celebrity because fearful na ya Kotoko for to wa sha one celebrity 10 goals and wa sha Isaac Mintashe 9 Hamza Isa wa sha 9 Augustine Okra a sha 9 na fe Steven Mukwala Dete enso atimi a sha 9 no ene sere no man enso si ko weekend ti FA Cup games never so the Premier League no bi entimi emma so nti ya ka na fi nsem ho no and the referee so nsem kapa timi jam na fi de ho no omo so atima to
because ye bo referees no rough hey ye omo bo referees no rough ala me kan ye bo me bo omo bi mesramo a so omo bo referees no rough anya kra nyesa adaku mu be fa funu ref yo okay wo me ba na Mike Edney ref ababeto aso no mom ma men clear we mienu infamfru no quick no mom bra hia pa mo amoye na nye go na outside ne sane mani nyina no Fibo Ventures omo na prapra kwam ama chese ref and Mike ato aso Fibo Ventures omo de eye toothbrushes ana toothpaste ahodo aba omo wo peppermint toothpaste omo wo get clear toothpaste ana fe aloe toothpaste ye ka aloe ye mjumadi aloe vera edi edemani pedua enti aloe toothpaste no ono ebi ewo ana fe fresh herbal toothpaste enso ebeboa pa na toothbrushes no so bomo dem ansa kan de eboa ema wankasa wono wa bofra ne chese wo ma wifi ene chese fie ne abusuafo free abusuafo ni nyina no obi atimi brush ni teeth kama chusi anopa no chusi anajo ansa no akompa so akwakoda ni nyina no you see Ashford Executive and a friendly Ashford Galaxy and a evidence Ashford Prince and a princess no eyan kwada ne dia chese boama kwada bia no nanum ebe hwam ogam ebenya hoden wo brush teeth mo jam fruits ase mbabiem abre bia no nyoma ekwe o texture maso ayo de out aduane dia obetene de eye Fibo and dia ba po segolo obenya dodo atu akwakoton 0241 545646 and answer 0200600934 Coa Research and Manufacturing Company Limited. I'm gonna do Coa Plus Mixture and Coa Mixture Abba. Damani nyina abaya juma kwa kudu fio bebre. Damani nyina obana sebe ma tuminumbi. Ayo Coa Mixture and Coa Plus Mixture. One kasa general well-being entinama yade enroi abadwa. So nenum enye ya nenum enso depa nti bomodi anso bepebi. Anum enkaba wo ho ne se wo ba wa fafro wow foforo akwara ne nimuru fie dumi na mesro emano ennumbi ukwadwa so ba bia benya bia to enkrai Litonia Pharmacy, Top Up Pharmacy, Art Pharmacy, Nana Boache Herbal, Tenatet Herbal Nafi, Osons Chemist, Ana Kumasia, Osons Chemist Ewaha, Kolina Herbal, PF Pharmacy, Ana Fedia Pharmacy, Tankrade, Nimdia Herbal, Benya B, Ana Kaswansono, DMC Pharmacy Ukoa, Wonsa Enso Ebekawo die, Ghana Gross on die, Foundation 15, Equasi 35 years, saw your banner, saw your bema, opportunities our order, Suma is answer, Jumadie, Ebu Chrome, and it's an old toward on Sash or Damir Firm, World Transit Yamba Kwaba no May 10 and 20 Amawa, Ghana Growth Foundation, embrace agriculture, agribusiness, technical, and vocational schools. I wanted to hear and Uncomodian in Chibia here piano, Yan Senior Bemau, we a MasterCard Foundation, Omo, and a Springboard Road Show, Analfi, Limehouse, and a Kabum, Omdi Jumedia TC Air Budget, and Chemuno, I was 0308 255775 youth Mompa Jumanya Mike
fancy youth never pay Jumaya. Yes, so you were Jumaya be wa Nina no a refereeing decisions of course so matches are your boy in the Ghana Premier League. Some of the key and the crucial decisions are very controversial. And then a referee wa has said obetchim dia maya kama na referee nankasa wo yiem referee yeah oh yeah last week nena 1 week course as a ref na nini apenyi ref en komana kwesi say
oh yeah the you know ashe 25th May
Saturday na yeah
Sompa Sports
what would I know
by nyefi ya beba say obra penny nti yeah ref wo yem nti ye nyina ya beka bom na mo patronize ref show ni na so ye na ye dia o samoba ye na so say ye hwe ye bibia na ye kama na ref me mo akwaba ye share is wa che I say bonsu no koka kebo ni we share na monyo ma ye bibia wo ba me mo akwaba de ba minim one monitor development across weekend but ye de be share se na ye from Swatreman o ma ye protest de tia referee Gabriel Opoku ahin na me pese ye betie Eric Alagidede general manager
ansana ke ba sana kan me dey bi ehase na
okay
ansana ne ye start we na
okay
one me pese ye sentence no supporters any teams no omo akoma mrafo one obi ti Ghana or support Chelsea obi ti Ghana or support Man U o lusu sa on complaining but so what they make can say omo lusu sa omo complain still on support omo Now support to be a Kotoko.
Sompa Sports.
That team. Now say be a and so problem enko ya. I didn't dia Uma when he break tutusio abrofono Michael abrofono musu I commenced the NCO will be now, but omo mrano and then momo NC Park so come NC Park so the AU. Well yeah, but no. Me iba ko me person fa me fa Samates in house match. Samates in house match no. Yeah na man focus say you league no your standard niko form. Me hunu sao. Because your house in Samates match will be to say at least it was
Sompa Sports.
Then me ko yam say Samates will be no Samates bia. And say no we rowdy. Yeah. From Division 1. Yeah, but media just the ma penny for aka eba ho no misaka ba ho no no. Any niema omaya omo supporters no. Ye mo invite ye bi ma ye koye. Ansa na omo be qualify aba Division 1 no. Ye ni supporters ne chance. Say football no enye yakoma na de ball no. Referee no be the match no mintim gan so be 100%. Head down be mistake. But yenti o mase because e bia ene anko ama be ko bia so be kwa way no ne bibia bibi so akwa man ene ye de koso say omo ba just last year first season na omo je best behaved center. Yeah. And then obi akọ Samates bia e better satisfied.
Complain bia ba say
teams na e ko hono no eya omo complain say omo kwan a e ko no e na enye
aso say nations ko share omo ho
nation ko share omo last year
report bia ma say ya
last year go start ko share omo 3-0
bia nyo bia
hwe omo ba some mediama share omo supporters in your point supporters ni bo ebo samamo e wa kire say omo ati enime bia say it be say teams no kakra omo tie yenye yi na me ba kotokone ansana DC Park so asem de me pese me ba kotokone nation match no me feel say policemen no security bed ma that day no omo amoaye hwe ade ba ko a me pese omo hwe ni ye ba park a ye bibia hye support police for nsemo na say police ni supporters ti inner perimeter umutimi enter inner perimeter no mo police for be struggle no police for etimi to form hwe say nyame amoa di okọ asan referee no okobo no so bona na say be to no wan sorry bi mu a who cause am and then the decision and omo complain so na ye dey offside kotokobo inti offside yenje
so mo say good
what kotokoti kuma say na on first match Heart of Lions share perfect goal Emma ref this ayinije ayin no no mo football sanity but me feel say the commander wo Kumasi no Kumasi Sports Stadium so wan hwe ni somebody would die in because me at that day I was very happy say ref is now called dressing room me
half time
yes me make as match ref is now kan ya na ebi no ntiaze if you enter sama so we rush here on mo
the be sing here
so we wo aya ebi no mo so mo nko omo force o mo ko they assaulted them
na a question am person can be bisa akra say in such instance and a situation no referee to me jai game need say my pom me code dressing me say my menko
yeah no me feel say how dey with me ya ni dey omo ye no yanko me nko dressing room but better park no so na me dey ayemai but they also supporters it say the law states say you must have time the two teams and then the officials should enter amoko
okay
yes me I have me quarter match similar situation I decided not to go to the dressing room you did not park so am I to aso you be a trade report in the FA4 adwuma but me dey e ba ko am say pa ne say the commander no Kumasi no hwe so
no stop
so o ade wo ya police ni ba bia on be police ni et of form and the opposite gate bi na first na ka fire service for you gina no I didn't support us more I can count more than 40 they were inside there and no idea there I say me adbc nesi ahwanka me I know say people will not be happy but I have to say it
to ref and ka wo susu sanka police for na nya den
and say omu every in the perimeter nim ho no and you 1 2 then na obitimi move ya ba say police 1% omu say o move over no look at the ekwan no ofuru over no enya obenya be 50 meters enti police ni bia hu because ye VIP no mna kwan start say over catch man for say ya hweye fortunately that time referee was so alert o te eyi no dan ani nyi san ka bibia be enti wen na no dey team like kotoko wo ye a enye wadwe say wo na wo ye o team na ogu nanim ase team ni wura and so kan ho enti the stress kotoko supporters no omo akoma mra fom omo akoma emra fom because some of the decisions are yeah no mo pe yeah omo de emotions
voice no born omo born
ene ye de adwuma
ref owo we are so de ende ye be excuse in Swatraman for na yafa kodoko de na anhya ase Shadrack mesra obi in Swatram kodoko nations FC foul nim na ye rem ni started with that offside goal leading to this particular incident mommy enhwe no a chance for kotoko ya bobo na tum kotoko player no was in an offside position nti ode no ho be kan mu de that's a definitely to the on fan coach ni okay on fan coach bi onya ball onya na ya samre ya player no and oko no onya offside he's moving o almost kakra emi do bi a boy we ball no asana player no be ball na ma no we say no sometimes they say hwe baby a kotokoni na koda no onyama obo no kura o baby oda onyama pass no kura o baby oda into the almost bio onyina ya say baby oda no oda infa oh yeah in an offside
is an offside position because ball we need two defend between him and the goal line and a ball so na chi the second obo ball is see ya omo ball no obo don stop ball no enkodu no kura baby oda enti enye offside ana in the sabi sekawunua and edi
Sompa sports
o ba ko bono is there enti o say ope goal ba ope goal na kira nyi say emra no ye nteti aso we clear we obi field park to be aka where I was sitting they were saying say di asem because it was clear offside enti ko nya man and then me ba ko me say won say referee no referee program is meaning no say ko bobo nshi atem so ko man card because who obo whistle and o man card and obo shemu nti opa che say on the anti whistle no nti me card me che say me bo abai and obo shemu
ref but onya sure so say ebia na tensions are building up because kotoko feel say decisions because who game ni mo na was encourage mo number 1 mame goalkeeper no ball na almost see a ball inside outside the 18 box yen hwade na ref so en explaining on cheche mu yen famaye enti nations goal in there no they say your ball to musa enti nations goal potential red card Kofi Mensah ref show
obi anhwe the boy no outside the penalty area but ball no but okowura mu o handle ball no penalty area no mu
okay
what the show one hand ball no one chin no hwe enko on fan san kan enko how do say e kan enim enye emotions o enye emotions enye emotions e fa on san kan ball no and just one hwe ade we ye because obi me I was on the field enko bi ti achi omu hu se beti o no
mo
eti omu direct na tam se bia ko so me ya ma dwe se me nso so because we see ya wo kan me have been the city we on fan say we you ha say no on touch the ball no we run inside any
ball no cry inside
ball any han watch ball no
enti referee yi ba ko free o kodoko so gidi say e was sanke mo penalty e wo incident number 1 enti kodoko penalty complaint 1 against nations na yenhwe na so enti we so ya bobo na tum chairman atwe kama ref so e ka o penalty bia na ka nye boni o enti player ni waka wo ho ba ko yeyi ne nsa ordinato ho oko ba ko mienu ye piano to ref
won ko chiri bi ni hade ba bia ha say ole won ko we ni free aba
enti kodoko player ne wo ball no
yes wo ball no so na woni wo mu nyina eba enti have you seen it say ball so on water ball no
okay
it is say na be struggling for the ball
enti 50-50
yes
kodoko player ne lose
advantage It was obo no wie no na ono ankasa okọ from there
because ono so direct and board direction na as a place player ni lose
yes olu ti we hwe ni yie o de obi anyi motions in film obo no wie bo he ba bia wo no bo no na eba nsie no nti na no obo nso ba se nti o nso e kwa akiri nti me hu I don't see the
penalty complaint number 2 na ye be se edi na atodwa ye wi na referee a chechem na ye de ewie na ye koye ne menti penalty number 2 no so ref eno so ni we de o hwe ball ni dia ball ni nsa o ba ko mienu miensa akoy na de nsa to boy
se ba bia da se si ye kotoko ni nsa da ha o nsa da ho na ball no
sa koroko na
da bi hwe ball no ni ba bia kotoko nsa ni ayi so nsa ni nti ho na de nsa ball no
kotoko na e attack team ni
so benya yi ni ye pa kotoko ni mum ne handle ball no we se ka we kotoko boy no star boy no boy we
start times so your mom with different angles your mom with different angles
that guy we 31 we say no also one abon no but he didn't complain
some passport
when I'm complaining because ohun say abon no nsa enye say ayi na ebo yo ebo ono nsa but so na kotoko ni nsa da so nti so go jet ya hwan. So this is so I think I'm going to say, yes, you're born now. Moment for motions. We support the team now. No, but yen share any man AC
nations for this first sending message so almost win your penalty. Ref yen show mo dey no. Say almost na a penalty and I say yen penalty. I Samuel free boating. And nations a penalty complaint. Ti bobo ni tum sa ba ohwe kra.
We has be best of boy.
Enti ya bobo ni.
Ya ja we onkwachi akra bi. Ha on the side control tie foul enti o say foul
etia nation enti we san ko share ref ka ref o ma na etia kotoko enti se ko ro fo bu fo na bia bi so free we yo
dabi na ko se ko share kotoko na mo ko share kotoko na ma answer na
san ko je handball ni tia no kransa na ye
ti o we say no I don't know can one trust us or GBB
leading to penalty na nanka nations for na penalty enti o de nsa control
enti wa mu when we are
into a balance,
but main problem is where the referee was coming from. That's a referee too, no, should have helped him because so he said, "Oh me, I'm
going for show."
Yes,
and then the phone is a referee was anchor.
Anchor Oshe, when I answer. Because what we saying, I for complaints penalty. Next first complain penalty. Referee now penalty, no.
Coffee for kumose penalty.
So what's even your problem? Say. Or the penalty ni dia then you have you say when inside the ball but wanje
okay
so
some passports
and in this case you know the say na eka say and were you back with free the back akoshe mo
into still ref you know I don't know the reason why I want me but baby where you was coming from and no yes the psychology in referee when I was officiating baby a ball no na so timi adu hu baby ji ball na I know say we don't sign a jebo mebum. We want to play and no show. Psychology referee. And then these are some of the things that you share your boys in the baby person but at least they are doing their best.
Now Gabriel Opoko in Swatraman Swaye case Dietiano. Time in ref. Your both video number 1 in Swatraman penalty case against Legon Cities. Omaye eno in Swatraman penalty against Legon Cities 3 no. Din kan fa no famaye okon Swatraman foul na eno so ewom ref ye je penalty tia en Swatraman in this case enyo mo attack omo defending to mo player na yi ball no and ye je penalty ni ma Legon Cities player na that form no. This is something they are complaining about me patcho me person hwe we na o clarify no ma ye we are na call the next
so je penalty ni ma hon
oje ma Legon Cities player na that form no for this incident but Swatraman player na ball no and Legon City's player no feigning say you making contact on that form and you a penalty in a man ref
in such situation like I'm seeing I don't know what I say ref no who ni because we came with dia enka ayi ni kura
Legon City's player
we say green no
Swatraman player na share
nti onu kwa na ball no nti onu kwa na ball nti hwe mu a we mu no
Legon City's player
na afa
no penalty ti ade ball
tell mum the referee didn't get it if you say referee na nya ni
mame aye en Swatraman Legon Cities enti number 1 case near valid. And so Atreman Legon City is number 4 now. And so Atreman for say game where muno. Almost in your penalty, no sanka referee momo. 1J enti mommy enko na ye hwese ne se enti abobo ne de sim etra ko biem ya pembo na bɔ ne nsa referee si da bi da
nsa ne de hwa de
eni
you see nsa de ne de ya no problem ho
okay ref check
nsa de no ne bo nsa ne no wa stretch na na
I said dan ho enti abo no
yes enti bo no ban ho no opese o twe ne nsa se bia e bo ne nsa be ka say ye enti nsa situation wo je fa no
okay. One out of two in the Samates Legon City's case. Sorry, in Swatreman Legon City's. Yanko and Swatreman Samates na yemfe no mfenwie. In Swatreman Samates no mu GD say 2 penalty decisions. The same referee. I was saying, there's the first one. Enti manafa twin the ball ne kwasa na foul no. E wo box ni mu referee ne twin ko say a foul outside the box.
Oje foul no. But see I say no who marking no. Foul no taking them in say never penalty area mu dia na so ko penalty foul because oji and na who you know how markings no who ni I cannot confirm say e bia na mu na say yes nie too visible
yan call the next one no na yan cleansing free and there's another one you cross a ball by sir and also another handball situation
e bia ni situation na ye ka no nsa no dan ho na ball no yes, if you're searching in San Ebo, we say he's moving. He's moving to the sanitary. Yeah, and Tibini into a tremendous for issue now. Yeah, into me baller handball situation, you know. And the stress and yet I come say baller ball sent you say
Sompa Sports.
We say a manaf, they say you can never with me when so you were near. Yes, but you the problem that we are having is what you who lie no. But foul no there, like we are saying, so what foul no. To baby on who but say inside there, like we are saying, it was a foul. Inside there, no, also for penalty. But so far this one is concerned there. Handball situation, we said inside than
into 1/4 per assessment. No, almost a referee weighing na taking decisions when in 19. Among person ko be di omo matches ni bi o ana ye be wie season so anka referees no ye the best out of the lot na say 10er omo mom no mundi the rest of the matches sa nyoma me anyway.
Yeah, I always say the decision of we know. Like we say to say we can you we say if you want what you fi say was for jema wan jama. Have you seen it?
Yeah.
And then so he has ne
dreams.
The has ne dreams boy.
Kumasi ya.
Heart of Lions I say. Heart of Lions. Really 2-1 be was.
Yeah, Heart of Lions.
We said they were also complaining about the referee.
Sompa Sports.
We just act for now me. Ka we has for argument no mu nyina na nyaduma.
We had last week but because of network issue.
Has for nyina no mu nyina wo nyina na offside because free kick no at the time of the kick no na place move dada. Second one no the same thing because guy as a referee no ma flag so answer na obo. But your emotions nti and ya na there. Nti say me feel say I promise committee no I also watching. Inti we won feel say obi ade na info so they will take him on. There are some of the referees that omo don't want to ice. Nye obi na also ebi no e ice. Inti nye say bia so you say omo ebe bibia ma.
Okay. Wo yeba be fa cross no kakra Yans Adaroma. Yeba be fa cross no Healing Point makacho say 31st year no yeba shase Terra One Media platforms ni nyina so 6:30 every Sunday enyumre kosi 7:30 and adwuntia no ahya no so na de che Monday 4:00 enyumre so ya ma repeat yade de o etwum mutan ebeba ne mom se symptoms ne ba kwa baba so abehu say ya je ne be say eba no na wotie bi na wodi bi enso ato kotodwem togbe a banke kasigligbo sokalu on the YouTube channel ne Takas TV. Bomodian so be share na ma subscribe na prepiano say e ban teachings we aye tete de ni bia dai basa olden days aye spiritual talks and nkomodie wo ho nyina no obehia togbe e wo Takas TV YouTube or Joseph Jase kwano so bomfa Hospital Junction aye 0244 484747 0244 506620 Yas product Adarma Yas whitening Yemfa course na 0551 931 931 0548 931 931 Yemfa course. Hello caller. Hello. Yes sir.
Abando manya kwenda sonki di mari.
Opening it's you.
Maso da to no kofi. Anenja asmada na ngancha futali bise. Fancy depends. I feel the rest for you in your energy.